Want to remove watermark from your Google Flow video for free? In this video, I will show you the easiest method to create clean, professional looking video without paying for expensive editing software. Make sure you watch until the end because I will also share a tip that will help preserve the best possible video quality. Now welcome back. If you are new here, this channel is all about AI tools, tech tutorials, and the best resource to make your content stand out. First, open your Google Flow, download the video. Now after downloading the video, here on CapCut, see what you do. If you're using desktop, you can also use this system that is called shortcut in order to remove the watermark. Now here I'll use CapCut because I'm using mobile device to show you this example, but you can try it out there. Now here what you do now is to click on new video. Here upload the image, upload the video you want to remove the watermark. Here now here you can see it. I will use this one. Here you can see it. You can see the watermark there. Now click on add. Here add it. Now here once you add the video, here is how to do it. Now what you do now here is to either use here, click on the video here like this. Now slide till you reach here, it says AI remover. You can see. Now click on AI remove. You can see the guideline. Now here what you do now is to here drag the blush icon here like this to color this place in order to remove it like this. You can see how I colored it. And here what to do now here is to click on remove and then wait for the AI to remove it. You can also use other AI tool that has this AI remover, video AI remover tool, and then remove the watermark professionally. Guys, here I'll skip to the bar to it remove the watermark. Here as you can see it, have removed it. You can see it here, but this feature is only for the premium package users. But here you can see the credit. If you join the premium package, you can see the credit, daily credit they will be giving you, and then you will use it to remove the watermark as I show you. So download CapCut and then join the premium packages user in order to use this feature. Here is the latest feature. Now if you don't have money to subscribe to the premium package, it's in an option. What you do now here is you here click on cancel. Here now let me revise the video. Here you can still see the icon. I revise the AI, I undo it here. Now here what you do now here is to add an icon here. Now here what you do now here is to slide down here. You can see overlap. Now click on overlap here. Now click on add here. Now here what you do now here, make sure you have a picture icon to add here. Like here to add up the picture icon, what you do now is to click on album, go to the place you save the picture icon here. Click on it here. Now select the picture icon you want to add here, and then click on add. You can see you have added it as a overlap. Now slide it to the size of the icon, to the size of the watermark here. Now what you do now is to max it like this. You can see, and click on max here. Click on max it in circle form, in any form you want it to be in. Max it like that. Now here after maxing it, now click on the icon here. Now what you do now is to slide it till you reach this watermark section. Drag it like this. You can see. Now here what you do now is to slide till you reach this opacity. Here click on it. Now here make it blend like this. You can see, and click on the good icon here. And here you can see how it look now. Now drag it to cover up all the section of the movie. You can see how I drag it here. And drag it to cover up all. You can see how it look.
You're doing great.
Until an important notice: before removing any watermark, make sure you have the legal right to edit the video. If the watermark belongs to a service you are using, removing it may violate the service system or license agreement. This guide is intended for videos you own or you are authorized to modify, such as your own exported content or videos where you have the permission to make edit. Now a bonus tip to those who have watched this limit: for the best quality, export in an original resolution. Avoid repeating exporting the same video. Use a hybrid tool when rendering. These steps help your video looking sharp. Yeah, that's it. If this tutorial helped you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful AI tool, Google workflow tutorials, and helpful tech tutorials. If you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do my best to help. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.